Hi everybody, welcome back to Hair and Beyond, and today we have a special little guest over here because she's a little cryy and definitely wants to be in my hand all the time, but that's okay. Now this is just going to be a really quick video on a primer that I received in my boxy charm, I believe about 2 months ago. Now the one that I'm going to be talking about today is the Soft Focus Glow Drops. This one right here. Sorry, let's see if I can get that to focus, the light. So it's actually this one. Now, the great thing about this primer particularly that I really love is it's actually very light. It's not too oil-based and it actually have a really nice smell. Now, another thing that I really loved about this primer is that I was actually able to put this on my skin without any moisturizer, and my face wasn't dry, but I do tend to have really oily skin, but it actually kept the oil under control, but it also made my skin really dewy. So this is actually an Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer, and it's supposed to help you get a really nice dewy look. Now I do have really oily skin as it was already, and it really made my skin really dewy, so that's definitely that. But I've actually tried it on my mom's skin, who is not really as oily as mine, and it gave her a really nice glow. So I definitely do think that this primer is really worth it. Now I believe it does retail for about maybe 40 something dollars or 50 something dollars. So would I buy a primer for that price straight off the market? No, I probably will not, because I'm on a budget. But I got it in my BoxyCharm. So in my BoxyCharm box, I actually got 5 different items. Come here, Pookie. I actually got 5 different items for $39 every month. Okay, so I got this in there plus 5 other items that are worth about, you know, the box itself is worth about 150 something, $70. You want the box? Okay, here you go. Here you go. Entertain her. So the box itself is actually worth about $175. So for $39, I'm definitely gonna keep doing it, right? Because I got this as well as 4 other items that month for 39 bucks. So don't put it in your mouth. So it's actually worth it. If you are interested in BoxyCharm, you should definitely give it a try. Now, if you haven't heard of BoxyCharm before and you are interested in seeing an unboxing of my next box, definitely comment down below if you guys are interested in BoxyCharm unboxing videos, so that way I know to do a unboxing for you guys. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like. So as you can see, if it's gonna focus, oh lord, the lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna have to probably come closer. So as you can see, it's kind of like have like a nice little peachy color. It does have a smell. Hold on, Pookie, hold on. It's not a very strong smell. So if you are a person who, you know, can't handle strong fragrances, I think you should be okay. It has more of like a powdery... What happened? Are you mad? Are you upset? Okay, hold on. Here you go. There you go. She loves that toy. So if you're a person who have like a problem with smells, I think it's more of like a powdery / rosy type of smell. And the smell does go away, so it doesn't last for too long. And let me see if I could probably put it on the back of my hand so you guys can have an idea. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of like that. And let me just rub it out. So that's when you rub it. Rub it in a little bit so you guys can have an idea of what it would be like on the skin. So see, it does add a nice little glow to the skin there. And I'm just going to wrap up this video because she's getting a little fussy now. So definitely give this primer a try. Now, if you have tried it before, comment down below and let me know if you liked it. Because so far I like it, but I have really oily skin, so I probably won't use it as much. But, you know, definitely if I wanted to put on no sort of cream or moisturizer on my face and then put this one on, I'll definitely do that. So let me know if you like it, and if you guys are interested in getting any BoxyCharm unboxing unboxing videos, okay? So, like I said, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, definitely hit that little subscribe button if it's your first time here. And don't forget to hit the little bell as well. And I'll see you guys next time on Hair and Beyond. Say bye-bye.